Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is May Tarot Healing. So I'm an intuitive tarot reader, and this is my first time doing the monthly reading for zodiac signs. So this reading will be for Aquarius for the month of October. So iset ko lang expectation natin guys na possible na hindi mag-resonate lahat ng readings ko para sa inyo. So please don't take it personally, okay? And possible din na makarinig kayo ng mga noise, mga ingay on my background. So please disregard. And I'm really hoping that this reading would be resonated with you, all of you. And yeah, please bear with me guys, okay? So yes, na-shuffle ko na yung card natin for Aquarius. And this is the major events that's going to happen for the month of October, okay? So, nakikita ko dito na ang Aquarius natin, mostly sa mga nanonood na dito sa vlog na to, sa reading na to, is giving. Okay, giving, mahilig sila magbigay, mabilis sila magtiwala sa tao, even though merong mga past experience sila na pangit, hindi sila marunong madala. Okay? And magiging ganito pa rin kayo sa month of October. And this is one of your weakness, Aquarius, okay? Na mabilis kayo magtiwala, mahilig kayo magbigay. Minsan, kahit konti lang yung sobra sa inyo, binibigay nyo pa rin. And this is not really good for you guys. It's okay to give, but I can see na hindi siya masyadong magiging maganda for the month of October. Pwede siyang pagmula ng conflict or away from friends, family, and stuff. Or possible na pwede siyang pagmulan ng problema nyo mismo sa sarili nyo, sa mga personal life nyo. Okay, kapag masyado kayong mapagbigay. I'm having a goosebumps right now. So, one of your major event is you got this King of Pentacles. Okay. Yes, King of Pentacles. Nafe-feel ko dito sa card na to is somehow magiging financially stable yung month of October ninyo, and magkakaroon kayo ng savings, magkakaroon kayo ng peace of mind in terms of financial, and matututo kayong alagaan yung financial nyo, and magiging peaceful yung month of October ninyo. Yes, na-feel ko yung stability, na-feel ko yung calmness, yung mindfulness, and also peace in terms of your financial, guys. So this will be on your October. Okay, so if ngayon parang naguguluhan kayo or may problema kayo financially, so October guys, masaset yung financial ninyo, which is hindi nyo po problemahan yung financial ninyo for the month of October. And nakikita ko rin dito is magkakaroon kayo ng foundation, magiging makabuluhan yung mga gagawin ninyo, mga projects ninyo, or if may mga gusto kayong gawin, makakakita yun ng mga tao, like partners, magiging masaya kayo for the month of October, and makikita ninyo yung success ninyo for the month of October, and this will be very different from September. And congratulations in advance, guys. And then iwasan nyo lang din yung pagiging indecisive ninyo. Okay? Iwasan nyo yung pagiging indecisive ninyo for the month of October, because this is one of your weakness, guys. Kapag nagde-decide kayo, like I have a little advice na kapag hindi kayo sure sa decision ninyo, or nagkaroon kayo ng second thoughts sa decision na gagawin nyo, wag nyo na ituloy. Okay? That helps me in my decision making. So, kasi possible na maging indecisive kayo for the month of October at some point of your life, like in a relationship or kung may accept kayong mga proposal, work, or stuff. Kapag hindi kayo sure guys, nagkaroon kayo ng second thought, huwag niyo ituloy. Okay? Kasi possible na kapag nagkaroon kayo ng maling desisyon, or basta nag-go lang kayo sa mga offerings or opportunities this time nang hindi pinag-isipan, is paghihirapan nyo siya, like mai-stress kayo, paghihirapan nyo siya, and then mawawala yung peace of mind nyo. Mawawala yung peace of mind nyo kasi mai-stress kayo dito sa responsibility na to, like i-build nyo yung pride nyo, standard nyo, and yung sarili nyo dito sa opportunity na to o sa bagay na to na bigla nyo lang napagdesisyon ng gawin. Okay? And then I can see na yes, I think we're having sense right now. So, yeah. Ito, Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune for the month of October. So, don't be so indecisive, guys. Kasi merong opportunity. Yung mga bagay na para sa atin is hindi tayo lalagpasan. So, may mga darating na opportunity for you that is for you, really. Okay? Para talaga sila sa inyo. And it's meant for you. So, just be patient. Kasi, dadating itong opportunity na para sa inyo. So, be patient lang tayo. At huwag tayo magmadali magdesisyon sa mga bagay-bagay. Okay? And also, mabilis din tayong ma-down for the month of October. So, iwasan natin na makinig sa mga salita ng iba, makinig sa advice ng iba. Hindi naman sa advice. So, iwasan natin ma-down or i-depend yung decision natin sa advice ng iba and ma-impluwensyahan ng iba yung decision natin sa buhay. Okay? And wag tayong ma-confuse. Just focus on our goal and trust the timing, trust the process, be patient sa mga opportunity na gagawin natin, and just be careful lang sa mga hakbang na tatahakin natin kasi possible na makinig tayo sa mga ibang tao. Okay, pakinggan natin sila and or maging different. Even though maging different, ganun ka-different yung decision nyo from the others. It's okay, guys. Basta, yun yung decision nyo. Okay? Kasi, maraming it could be a possibility or maraming dadating na ideas sa inyo, opportunities. I can feel na ideas, opportunities to kasi meron siyang mga plans. Okay, growth. Okay. So, maraming dadating ideas sa inyo. Like, possible na ma-overwhelmed kayo dito sa mga ideas na to. Ayan. Possible na maging start to ng what do we call this, ma-overwhelm kayo sa mga ideas na to. Possible na ma-overwhelmed and hindi nyo mapansin yung ibang opportunities na para sa inyo. Parang dadaan lang sila sa inyo. Okay, parang dadaan lang sila sa inyo yung parang ganito. May mga ideas na dadating sa inyo and then gagawin nyo, then hindi kayo magsasucess. Hindi nyo alam na meron pa sa likod nyo na nakastand. So, hindi nyo mapapansin yung ginawa nyo na nagbubunga. Okay, so be mindful about that. Okay, and just be peaceful. Be peaceful and calm this month of October kasi everything has its timing. Kasi pansin ko, most of you guys are impatient. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng maling decision sometimes and napapasubo tayo sa mga bagay na hindi tayo prepared. Okay? So, let's draw your major energy for the month of October. Ano yung na-attract yung energy for the month of October? What is the major energy for Aquarius for the month of October? What is the major energy for Aquarius for the month of October? Okay. Another card, please. One card, please. What is the major energy for Aquarius for the month of October? We got it, guys. So you have here the anxiety, door to personal healing and happiness, angels of strength. So this is the major energy of your October Aquarius. So ayun nga, na-attract nyo yung anxiety kasi nga dito sa mga to, possible ma-impluwensyahan kayo or ma-overwhelmed kayo sa mga ideas, opportunities, or mga, basta in terms of mind, yung pwedeng dumating sa mind natin, pwedeng dumating sa buhay natin, pwede kayong ma-overwhelmed and maging indecisive. So, it could lead to anxiety. Okay? And also, you guys are attracting a door to personal healing and happiness. So, ayun guys, this coming October, please be mindful sa self nyo. This is the time for you guys to heal to reflect, and tingnan natin yung mga desisyon natin sa buhay, no? Reflect nga tayo, and healing, magpahinga. Pag masyado nang marami pumapasok sa isip natin or yung mga bagay na nangyayari, just rest. Even if it's 1 day, 3 hours, 5 hours, half of a day, just rest guys and don't think. Okay? Para maiwasan natin yung indecisiveness natin. And yeah, healing and happiness, it will be the month for healing and happiness for you guys. And don't worry guys, kasi if ever man may matirang mga stuff na nangyari from September, or emotion or baggages from September, the angel of strength will be with you para i-guide kayo and bigyan kayo ng lakas for the month of October. So, nakikita ko naman guys na okay naman yung inyong October kasi meron kayong 4 of Wands and King of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune is with you guys. But yun nga, meron tayong mga dapat iwasan, which is indecisiveness, too forgiving, too giving, and pakikinig sa iba. Once na ang isang bagay ay na-force tayo, like nape-pressure tayo, it's not for us guys. Dapat malalaman lang natin na tama yung ginagawa natin kapag masaya tayo and malugod sa puso natin yung ginagawa natin. That will be the things that's for us. Okay? Pero kapag na-pressure tayo, that's not for us. Kapag question natin yung self-worth natin, if deserve ba natin to and that's not for us. Okay, guys? And also, don't listen to others kapag hindi maganda yung nasasabi nila. And kapag masyado nakikialam ang ibang tao sa buhay natin, don't listen to them. You control your own life. You own your life. So, this will be our last card. So, what will be your angels? Let's see if what is the angels. What is your angel saying and advice? So please, angels, what is the message for Aquarius this month of October? Ay, tumalon sila. Thank you. Have confidence, and there's nothing to worry about. I told you guys, there's nothing to worry about. Just be peaceful and calm. So have confidence. Moving forward does not necessarily require you to have confidence in yourself. Confidence in God is enough, along with knowing that God works through you and with you in all ways. Lean upon us if your confidence wavers, and we will buoy your courage and faith. So, yun nga guys, kapag nag-doubt na kayo sa isang bagay, take time to rest guys, and try to talk to your angels. Like kapag nawawala na nga yung confidence nyo sa mga bagay, parang kinu-question nyo na if you deserve something na nangyayari sa inyo, or yung mga ginagawa nyo, or yung mga opportunities na dumadating sa inyo, just ask your angels to guide you and ibalik nila yung confidence nyo, no? Pag nagwa-waver na yung confidence nyo. Okay. And just trust na angels, universe, gods is with you, and you don't have to worry about anything because as I've told you earlier, again and again, everything's happened for a reason, and everything has its own perfect timing. Okay? And then there's nothing to worry about. Yes, you are safe, and this situation is under the perfect control of divine providence and universal order. I told you, only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortlessly to and through you. So there's nothing to worry about, guys. And yeah, sabi ko nga kanina, gawin nyo yung mga bagay na nakalulugod sa puso nyo. So kapag hindi ganon yung nangyayari sa situation, sa trabaho, sa project, or kung ano mang gagawin nyo for the month of October, it's not for you guys. Okay, dapat masaya tayo habang ginagawa yung bagay na yon. And trust the universe, trust the God's plan for you guys. Never doubt it. Kasi kahit gaano kahirap yung nangyayari sa atin for the month of October, kahit gano'n kahirap yung mangyari sa atin for the month of October, and magkaroon tayo ng confusion, magkaroon tayo ng problema, it's part of your journey for you to give you lessons, or para lang iparamdam sa'yo, yung ipakita sa'yo yung mga dapat ayusin or stuff. Okay. So, ayun guys, yes, this is all your reading. So, I hope you guys like it and it resonated with you, but please don't be hard on yourself, and don't take it personally against me if it doesn't resonate with you guys. And I would love to read your experience with my reading. Okay guys, I hope to see you on my next reading, and bye.